Now it's the time to start or to do an exercise based on our articles A or N. First sentence is dash orange. We can put here an orange because this is our vowel and produces a sound of vowel. Next is a year. A year. Dash animal. An animal. Indian leader. An Indian leader. Empty basket. An empty basket. Exercise in grammar. An exercise in grammar. Dash kind man. A kind man. Dash old woman. An old woman. Dash aeroplane. An aeroplane. Students, we have done an exercise based on our indefinite articles. Now we are starting our definite articles, that is the. This is definite articles. In definite articles, we put only the. So when we speak of some particular person or thing, the is used. I told in my previous video in the usage of a and an, which are the part of indefinite articles, these were used when there is no particularness, but in the case of the, when we speak of some particular person or a thing, the is used. Now we are discussing usage of the. Here the first point is, so there is correct usage of the. In our first rule, before a noun that is being mentioned for the second time, we can use the. So my dear students, when our noun is used for the second time, then we can use the. For example, I saw a car. You can see here in the first time I have used a car, but when car is used second time, I have placed the word the. The car was red in color. Now in our second point, the is used before historical events, before historical buildings and public places. For example, the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is our historical building now. So we can put here the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Now, for the Republic Day, the Independence Day. These are two historical events now. The Republic Day, the Independence Day. Or the is used before public place, the zoo, the park, and so on. In our next rule, we can read the is used before the superlative degree of an adjective. For example, the sweetest song. My dear student, do you know now what are adjectives which qualify a noun or a pronoun? For example, sweet. Its comparative degree is sweeter and its superlative degree is sweetest. So we can put the before the superlative degree of an adjective. Another example is the most intelligent student. Now our next, the fourth point is, when a singular common noun is used to stand for a whole class. Means our noun should be singular and second thing is common noun should be it is. And when it is used, then we can put here the. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. You can see here dog, which is our singular but the common noun here. And it represents the whole class. Means the dog is a faithful animal. Means all the kind of dogs are faithful. The peacock is a beautiful bird. Means all the peacocks are beautiful. Correct? Now our fifth point is, in the next rule, which is a fifth rule, the is used with the name of rivers, means with the rivers or with the name of rivers we can put the, for example, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Saraswati, the Nile. Second is with the seas and oceans, like the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. And with the holy books we can use the, for example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. And in our fourth point, the is used with the names of trains or the ships or with the aeroplanes. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the Airbus. With the names of newspaper, we can put the, for example, the Indian Express. And with the names of well-known building, we can put the, like the Red Fort, the Gateway of India. And before the directions, we can put the, for example, the east, the west, the north. Before the whole families, for example, the Bhatia's family. So this is about some rules of the. Now it is the time to do an exercise based on articles. Put a and the wherever necessary. First sentence is, dash Gomati is a famous river. So I told you in my last rule that before the name of rivers we put the. The Gomati is a famous river. Now in our second sentence, where is dash Statue of Liberty situated? With the historical buildings we can put the. Where is the Statue of Liberty situated? I am going to the club. I know how to play the violin. Means with the musical instrument we can put the. Dash life in the army not so easy. The life in the army is not so easy. My father owns an hotel. Give the child a fresh orange. It is not difficult to carry an empty box. Man is a social being. And the last sentence, the English ruled over the Indians. Right? So today we have finished our exercise based on articles also. I hope you have understood it. And if still you have any inquiry, you can ask to me on my personal number.